I got this Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater, and it really does work like magic. I have had clothes that have either been given to me or that my daughter has stained up. Mac and cheese that has been washed, dried multiple times, and this stuff still gets it out. I swear by it. Even one of my friends was talking about cleaning his hunting stuff that had blood dried in it, and I recommended this because when I killed my deer this year, we used this to get the blood out of my husband's brand new shirt. That was the first time he wore it, and it got every single bit out. One of my friends, her daughter had a bloody nose, and she didn't have this stuff, and she brought the dress over to me, and I washed it with this, and the stains were completely gone. She went and ordered some. It really is that good. I have it on a recurring subscription, and I get one of these things, I think every other month, and it fills up my big spray bottle of it, and I end up running out like right as the next shipment is coming. That's how much I use it. I absolutely love it. Love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend.